Okay, so this is our pressure sensitive chair. It is made out of two Wii Fit balance boards for the Nintendo Wii game system. I'm going to take off the cover here, show you one of the boards. So this is the back board. See, it's oriented vertically, and underneath the bottom cushion there is a similar posterior board. I'm going to flip the board over so you can see its underside, and you'll see that we have wires coming out of the bottom. And they're actually coming out of this battery compartment right here. And basically what we've done, so that we don't have to keep replacing the batteries, is we've soldered to the battery terminals, corresponding battery terminals of the game console, these wires which connect to an AC adapter. It's a 1000 milliamp AC adapter, and this keeps us from changing batteries every couple of days, and more importantly, it keeps us from having to reassociate the board with the Bluetooth on the computer, which is a fairly time-consuming process, which I will now demonstrate. So we are now going to associate one of the Wii Fit boards to the Bluetooth on this computer. So I have the Wii Fit board in front of me. It is upside down, and I have the battery compartment open. And you'll notice that there is a very small red button at the top of the battery compartment right there. That is a very important button for us. You have to press that button for an extended period of time in order to make this work. But before we do that, on our computer, we'll go to the Start menu, the Control panel, and in the Control panel we have Bluetooth devices. So we'll open that up, and we have an option to add a new device, which we will select. And this is the point where we need to think about pressing this red button here. So I'll go down back to the board, and I will press that with my finger, and you'll notice that the blue light on the button on the front of the board has begun flashing. So that means that we're actually sending a signal. So let's add the Wii Fit as a Bluetooth device. So go into Bluetooth devices on the control panel. Hold down the red button on the inside battery cover of your Wii Fit and hit add. My device is set up and ready to be found. Click next, and it's searching for it. And you can see it's right there. It says Nintendo RVL. So we select that. We do not want to use a passkey. Hit next, and it's installing the device. Alright, at this point we can let go of the red button. The Nintendo Wii Fit has been added as one of our Bluetooth peripherals. We want to select one of its specific services though, so we select that and click on Properties, and then choose Services, and it's searching for services. And you can see here it lists drivers for keyboard, mice. That's what we want. So we select that service, and then we click Apply. And it's still up there, which is what we want. So we hit OK. We hit OK. We've added one Wii Fit. And we launch the Wiimote Lib test application, and it shows the balance board over here, and you can see there's some fluctuations for the weight. So we can put some pressure on one of these sensors, and you can see in the lower left of that matrix of numbers it went up to 40. Right? So we can turn this board over and prop it up in the chair. and lean against it and show how the numbers change. So you can see in the top right it shows 28,